noise for me? Can you please just be quiet? I'm trying to do yoga right now, Angie.
I'm just hearing this.
There, this is my star. Let's go.
I'm a VIP. That's what you told me.
You're making noise for me. How can I relax in my own yoga if you keep on making noise for me, Angie?
Sit down if you're doing your yoga.
I want to do it here. What is wrong with you? It's kind of fun.
No choice, you leave me now. No.
Yeah, you got to go faster than boys. Faster than boys. Well, that's kind of funny.
Mom.
You're waiting around with someone who can take ID. You're gonna get us down. The street is just a little creepy. I'm a Holland doll. This is Becky Coast. I'm done with this. Just be quiet. Put a Girly butterfly song though. It's much cold. No. This song is getting my mind. Remove it or else I won't do my yoga properly. Okay.
You leave me now. No.
Yeah, you got to go faster than boys. Faster than boys. It's got me. It's you. Now just tell me it's right. It's true. I will get inside the wardrobe and call myself. You're there. I will kill you for good.
Vivian.
No. Boys. No toys. You leave me now. No. Yeah, you got to go faster than boys. Faster than boys.